What's going on, guys? If you're new here, my name's Greg, and today we're going to be seeing if fried Oreos or fried cheesecake's better, because we want to eat both. Hope y'all enjoy. Alright, so the first thing we're going to do, pop this open like that. Take these puppies out. We're going to go ahead and fill this up. There's a max and a minimum line. I'm not really cooking that much, so I'm just looking to get up to that minimum line, which we're definitely going to get there. Come on. We're almost there. Yeah, this works good. We're in between the maximum and the minimum line. So, now what we're going to do, we're going to turn this on. I'm going to put it to about 325 degrees, maybe 350, right around there. Now we're going to get the rest prepped. Alright, so the first thing I'm going to do, I got some shake and pour. I already mixed it up with some water. So now we got shake and pour. Go ahead and pour it all in there. Like that. And that's going to be our coating. Get that off my hand. We're going to dip this in there. You're going to get a little messy. Your finger's going to get a little messy. That's what you're looking for. Nice little coating. Easy. Simple as that. Just like that. Do that however many you want to make. I love some fried Oreos. It's like at the fair. You go to the fair, get you some fried Oreos. Boom. And pour some on there. Boom. Now, time for the cheesecake. Let me grab a paper towel. Alright. Close this. Open this. I love fried cheesecake. A little bit of ice cream. So we have, of course, you normally do regular. I'm not doing the chocolate. That'd be kind of weird to fry. Put those in there. Just get it all in there and pull it out. Be very gentle. Same thing. Mix it. Give it a little twirl. There we go. And then I guess we'll do everyone but the chocolate. But you're not going to remember which is which. So that's okay. Boom. Now, I'm going to let those sit there. I might go grab a spoon and right before I dip it, just give it a nice little coat on top. And then, yeah, I'm going to go wash up and get ready to put them in the fryer. Alright, so now oil's ready. It's time to get started. Go ahead and throw these puppies on there. Trying to be gentle. Just like so with the Oreo. We're going to do all Oreos first. Cheesecake, they can wait. 2 more. 1 more. Just like that. Grab me a napkin real quick. Wipe my hands off. And now we can dunk. Boom, just like that. Same thing. Give it a little wiggle. All right. Come on up. Look at that. Got some goldens, huh? I'm gonna be right back. I'm gonna grab me some tongs to get them out. All right. Get these. Oh yeah, nice and crispy. Look at that. They're hot. And the cool thing, I thought this was really cool. It's really cool about Oreos and cheesecake. You don't have to worry about overcooking them. thought that was funny. Oh, these ones are not wanting to come. There they go. Boom, boom. Come on. Uh-oh. That's okay. You know, we didn't go to culinary school, so I don't have to be perfect. And there she goes. There we go. Look at them fried Oreos. All right. Those things look delicious, huh? Actually, make me feel a little professional. Got me some powdered sugar. Look at that. Huh? Heck yeah. I think I'd do this for a living, huh? I wish. All right. Let's do the cheesecake. No. Just get my hands dirty. Ooh, yeah. 2, 3 in each. 4, 5, and last but not least, Mr. 6. All right, I'm gonna wash my hands. Not wash my hands. I'm right here. Get this stuff off my hands so I don't make a mess. Get that powdered off my hand. All right, you ready? We're gonna dip them. Here we go. Just like that, and boom. A little shake and bake for them. There we go. All right, time to let them cook. All right, it is time to take them out. Let's take a look. Little, I don't know. Those now, those look phenomenal. All right. They smell delicious too. Maybe. Hey, look at that. Put 3 in there. I'm gonna be gentle with these because these look good. Come on, get up, get up, get up out of there. There we go. Look how beautiful that looks. Look at that. Fried cheesecake. Oh, yeah. Look at there. All right, I'm gonna let these cool off for a second, then we're gonna get into them, see how they taste. All right, got us some ice cream. It's pretty essential with cheesecake, I'd say. Come on. Yeah. There we go. Break that loose. Just get off of there. All right, whatever. Vanilla cheesecake. Ice cream, sorry. Vanilla ice cream. Get me a nice scoop. Put her down in there. Set that to the side. All right. I think the first thing we're gonna do is the cheesecake. Ooh, look at that crunch. Oh. Look at that. Oh man, that looks great. Come on. What? It was so good. It was unreal. All right. Fried Oreos. I got high expectations for the Oreos because this is what you get whenever you go to a fair or something. So, that's so good too. Yeah, we're fat around here. Oh my gosh. So good. Alright. Well, the moment you've been waiting for, which one's better? And I'm gonna have to go with cheesecake. Because I love cheesecake in general, and oh my gosh, I think I just made the world's best fried cheesecake because that was unreal. Appreciate y'all watching. If y'all don't mind, like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you want to see me make next, and hope y'all have a great rest of your week or weekend, and I'll see y'all next time.